Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Trading 618. In this video, I'll be giving the complete detailed analysis of the trade which I took today in Nippon India Nippon India stock in cash, not in futures, not in options. It was a long trade and it proved 10-hour trade for me today. So it was a really big trade and I will break down each and every step. What was the hypothesis? What was my analysis? Why did I take the trade? What was my entry point? What was my stop loss? So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the chart of Nippon India, and it was moving in this sideways range from last couple of days. Now, as we can see on 28th, the stock attempted this rally, and in this attempt, the stock was able to break above this. You see, the stock has created a new structure low here in this swing. Let me mark down the swing highs and lows for you, which will be more helpful. So this was a new structure high. Sorry, new structure high that was created, and subsequently, without going up, it again created new structure low. Why new structure low? Because this was the main swing. This was the main swing previously. From this higher low, it made a new structure high, but this higher low was broken here, subsequently changing the trend into up downtrend. But instead of going down further, the stock again made a new structure high here. It will be a new structure low here. After making this new structure low, the stock completely made with the speed of up move was quite good, and it made a new structure high here. You see, now our main swing has changed from this new structure high to new structure low. Now this is a upswing. The trend has been changed. So what is our sorry, what is our premise? Our premise is that once a stock has created a new structure high, it should give a pullback or it should create a higher low which is higher to the previous low. So our expectation is that once the stock has made a new structure high, it should make a higher low, and again it should make a new structure high. So going by this premise, we were looking now our next step is to look for the points where we can find a good entry with a good risk reward. Now we can see the stock retraced up till here. It again made an attempt to cross this high, but it was not successful. From here, it again went into consolidation, which means that the stock is still having power to go up, right? So inside this main swing, this one, we have created a smaller swing like this. Getting my point? So what I did, I was looking for a retracement in under this swing. See, I took my Fibonacci tool, marked it from low to high. I was looking for some area, see, some area near 61.8, and Once it retraced below 50% of the swing, I went down further into 3-minute chart, and as you can see, the same structure is evident here. You see, new low, lower high, new low, lower high, new low, but after creating this, it broke up and it made a new structure high. From here, the prices started consolidating. So yeah, my entry point after seeing this was yesterday somewhere around, no, sorry, it was today. My entry was somewhere around this area. Why this area? Because I was watching this thing. This swing, this very small swing on 3-minute chart, and 61 was coming somewhere around 286. So I entered somewhere around 286.1, something like that roughly. Keeping my stop loss just below this swing, you see. I think it was 284.9 if I'm not wrong. You see, once this entry was taken, price went up. Sorry, price went up. I was in profit. Price retraced, went down. I was in small loss. If there was some novice trader, he would have panicked and just exited the trade in loss. But still, you can see it went up, it went down. But still, I was waiting for my stop loss to hit. You see, if the stop loss is hit, then it proves that I'm wrong. There is no point, being in that trade. But since my stop loss very small, I was waiting for the price to do its thing. And once this swing was made, you see, it consolidated here and just jumped abruptly, hitting my target in 297. You see, in a single day, 10-hour trade was logged in. Boom, money in the bank. So this is the power of the system which I am trading. This is the power of strategy, you see, without any indicator, just simple price action, patience and price action. You wait patiently for the price to come into your area. You sit like an old crocodile, lazy old crocodile. You see, that's a story for lazy old crocodile. So you wait patiently for the price to come into your zone. If it does not come into your zone, that's not your trade. That trade is not on your terms. If you are willing to lose 5 rupees, you are bound to lose only 5 rupees, nothing more than that. But if you are willing to lose 5 rupees, you must be targeting something around, 20 to 25, at least more than 5x of your initial risk. So this trade proved another 10-hour trade for me in just 2 weeks. Last week it was HDFCMC. I have already posted that trade analysis. Now today it was Nippon India. So this is what a good trade is. This is how a good trade is made. See, my friends, no indicator is required. You see, I have employed no indicator. There is no need for indicator. Price is everything which is required to make a good trade. Period. So this is how the trade, a quality trade is made. I hope you will feel beneficial. You will learn something from this, and please do like my videos. If you find my content useful in any ways, do share it with your friends and family so that maximum people out there can be taken benefit. Okay, so this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and happy trading.